Continuous integration and delivery. What continuous integration and delivery really means. Continuous integration and delivery means using engineering practices and automation to keep software releasable all the time. Teams integrate small changes, often instead of batching work for later, then validate those changes end-to-end with automated checks. That reduces integration risk, makes release quality more visible, and turns deployment into a repeatable, safer activity rather than a stressful event at the end. How continuous integration and delivery works in practice. The core idea is frequent integration into a shared mainline, backed by automated builds and tests. Each change moves through a feedback loop from commit to validation, packaging, deployment, and verification. That creates evidence about quality, security, performance, and reliability, so teams can inspect what really happened and adapt quickly instead of rely on hope, status reports, or last-minute release heroics. The main stages in a continuous integration and delivery pipeline. A good pipeline increases confidence step by step. Work is merged into the main line, built in a deterministic way, tested according to actual product risk, and stored as immutable version artifacts. From there, the same artifact is promoted through environments and verified with real signals. The point is not just automation for its own sake, but evidence that what was built is truly deployable and behaves as expected. Essential practices for integration and delivery. Strong continuous integration and delivery depends on a few key disciplines. Trunk-based development keeps branches short and integration frequent. Fast builds on every push keep build held visible and feedback useful. The testing pyramid helps teams get quick, high-signal validation without overloading the pipeline. Environment parity and infrastructure as code reduce drift between environments, while feature flags, progressive rollout, and observability make delivery safer and recovery faster. Delivery, deployment, and common misuses. Continuous delivery means the software is always ready to release, but the actual production release can still remain a deliberate business or risk decision. Continuous deployment goes further by automatically deploying every change that passes the checks. It is also important to separate deployment from release, because putting software into production is not always the same as exposing it to users. Common failures include long-lived branches that delay feedback and treating continuous integration and delivery as just a tool install. Real continuous integration and delivery is a trusted system of fast feedback, safe change, and continuous learning. Learn more on AgileSM.net.